So you want to make new friends. You want people to like you. Maybe it's your work. You want people to respect you. I'm going to give you a tip right now that will really help you make new friends, will really help you to get people to like you, to respect you. You're probably doing things all wrong. I was myself until like 2 decades ago, I figured this out. If you want somebody to be your friend, if you want to meet somebody, I guarantee you, if you're anything like most people, you're spending all your energy trying to be interesting to them. Hey, check out how much I know. Look at what I know about this. Stop trying to be interesting and focus on being interested. Turn those tables. Stop trying to win somebody over with how interesting you are and get them to naturally fall in love with you because you're interested in them.